Hey guys, I'm back with another video here. I got some new tools today from the school, so stick around and see what I've got to show you guys. Alright, we got some tools today. These are the two big things. The other stuff's out in the car, and it's some other stuff. But I got my angle grinder today. This is the 4.5 inch angle grinder from DeWalt. DeWalt makes some good tools, so hopefully these are durable. And then the other thing I got is the Radnor cable and the TIG rig today. Now this is the scratch start TIG rig. So I got all this stuff. Okay, we got all of our TIG parts sitting out here. We'll go over them with you here. We got the handle, got our back cap. We have the torch handle here, the torch body, gasket back here. We have our gas lens, collet body, and then we have the collets. And they include with this package the Radnor 332nd 2% serrated tungstens, so that's what you'll be getting. And then they have the tungsten holder, and then the tungsten tote. And then we have our cups back here, sizes 4 through 8. So that's what's included in this kit. And then plus you've got your cable over here, which will carry your gas, electricity, and current. So anyway, that's what's included in the package. And I got a couple pictures that I've taken from school that I thought you guys would enjoy, so I'll put those next. Alright, I just wanted to go over some stuff with you guys here at the end of this video. Today is Friday. Today is the last day of Phase 1 for us. The whole school changes out phases at the same time. So anyway, today's the end of the phase. Monday, we'll be starting Phase 2, vertical up tees, and I think we're starting on plate tests and flat position. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to review with you guys what all Phase 1 consists of. So basically we started out doing flat position beads, flat position 70-18 beads. Then we moved on to horizontal beads. We did that for a couple days. We test out, and that's another thing I wanted to kind of clear up with you guys too. We'll do an exercise, and then we will test on it. So you know, the instructors there, they're going to be pretty picky on what they take for grades. You know, but once you're ready, they're gonna take your grade, and they're gonna be fair on your grades. You know, you can't just fly through it. But so anyway, we did horizontal beads, and then started on vertical up. Now that takes a lot more practice than your horizontal or flat beads, just by nature of, you know, your weld puddle wanting to kind of sag down. And so that takes a little bit longer. Expect, you know, a little bit more trouble with that. So we tested out on that, and then we moved on to T-plates. We started cutting them out. We got a lesson on the cutting torches, and then we were cutting out our 3/8 plate. That's what they use there for their T-plates. And then we started running 6 bead, 6 pass fillet welds, T-plates, with 70-18. It takes a little practice. It's not especially hard, you know. It just takes some diligence and doing it over and over again, and finally getting it down. So then After you test out on that, we moved on to 7024. They also call 7024 jet rod. Basically, it's used in production. I've heard they use it a lot for tank building and stuff like that. But basically, it's just a high deposition rod with a lot of iron in the flux, basically to where they can put down a lot of bead, quickly. So anyway, that takes a little getting used to. It's a little bit more difficult to run. Once you get it down, it's very easy to use, but there's kind of some, tricks to getting it to run like you want. So anyway, we did that, and then today, the last day, we had the kind of the weld off, the kind of the contest for top one. My particular class ran horizontal beads. We had to run 10 of them, and they picked from the top of our class, who ran the best horizontal beads. So basically, the winner of that gets a hat and some stickers and a pin. And then at the end of the 7-month program at Tulsa Welding School, they will present the student with the most top ones that were won through the contest. They will present that student with a welder. I don't know what kind of a welder it is, but the student with the most top ones won from the contest will get a welder. So that'll be pretty interesting to find out who will get the welder at the end. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little once over on the kind of what phase one was over. So anyway, I appreciate you watching my videos. If you're students or prospective students looking to go, you could send me some messages if you have questions or concerns or whatever. I'd be happy to answer to the best of my ability. I may not have the all the answers, but I can try to steer you in the right direction. So anyway, thank you guys for sticking around watching my videos. Please comment if you got questions and subscribe. So thank you guys. We'll be talking to you later on. Thanks.